Hey, did you guys see this article from the Daily Hodl? Filecoin announces integration with Solana for decentralized blockchain store solution. Hey, that must mean that price in Filecoin is going to go up. This was produced on the 18th of February, 2024. Here it is the 21st. And you guys can look at the chart right now and say that was a very good announcement. The market took that as a very positive catalyst because they bought. Yeah, the market went up massively when that information was released right here. The 19th of February. Market in Filecoin ran up towards $8. So will it continue to go up? Well, we're going to talk about that today on the video. But first, let's go through this article real quick and talk and see if it's going to have any longevity in Filecoin's value, the price. Peer-to-peer file storage network Filecoin is collaborating with smart contract platform Solana for decentralized blockchain storage solutions. In a new thread on social media platform X, the team behind Filecoin says that integrated with Solana will greatly enhance the Ethereum rival's capabilities as well as advance the concept of decentralized storage. Solana's integration with Filecoin is a significant move away from centralized storage solutions and a remarkable step towards enhancing the reliability and scalability of the Solana blockchain. All of this stuff simply saying it's a good thing for us to move away from centralized storage because maybe it will reduce the processing time, or at least how long it takes for Solana to process transactions. If we can move it to a decentralized location, maybe our blockchain can scale more. Solana is utilizing Filecoin to make its block history more accessible and usable for infrastructure providers, explorers, indexers, and anyone needing historical access. So rather than keeping it on a centralized server, let's make it decentralized, put it on Filecoin. I don't know if that's going to make Solana reduce expensive on keeping that information in-house, and placing it on Filecoin will make it more accessible freely. Who knows? Now, we don't know the details of this agreement, of this integration, but we'll see basically off of the price action of Solana and Filecoin if this integration is going to be a good thing or a bad thing. By leveraging Filecoin's decentralized storage capabilities, Solana can achieve data redundancy, scalability, and enhance security while staying true to its decentralized ethos. This collaboration showcases the power of blockchain networks to create more robust and resilient ecosystems for the benefit of users and developers. Okay, cool. We can tell whether or not this is a good thing off of price action. So looking at this off of the price chart for Filecoin, it looked like it's pretty good, or at least have the ability to push it back to $8. Because you can see right here on the 1st of the month, January 2024, Filecoin was trading around $8. We did a price prediction here in Filecoin on the 29th of December, looking for the price to go down. Initially, it did. It held our buy zones right here. It held the buy zone here and here, and then it went up, right? But then it came back down to where we suspected that it could test our trend line. See that right here on the 8th of January. Market bounced and tried to run back up, hit this top portion sell zone here and came back down, broke the trend for a couple of days and then ran back up. Was it because of the integration of Filecoin into Solana? Who knows? So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction there. It's 12.68%. We're going to get rid of this buy zone, and this sell zone. So now we got a clean chart. Okay, clean chart. So let's see if this is going to be a great thing to see Filecoin to continue to go up. We already acknowledge that this area is a sell zone. Okay, so we can actually bring it up a little bit higher. That's a sell zone right there. Meaning that every time price in Filecoin goes to around $8, the selling pressure increases. So we need to see the buying pressure break through that zone in order for it to maintain the ability to go higher. Now, this is what many people would term like a double top. Price comes down. So are you expecting the market in Filecoin to continue to go lower? It may for a couple of days. You guys can see that there's like two trends currently intact into the market in Filecoin. This one is not really important right now, so we could go ahead and get rid of that and focus on this trend. Okay. Now, here it is on the 330-minute chart. All of this right here, you guys can see, is selling. Okay. Now, we need to see if there's enough demand willing to absorb all of this selling. And so far, that's what it looks like. It looked like there has been enough selling into the market in Filecoin to where we may not see the market actually go that low. But we're kind of in a wait and see period because the market here, you can see, it is making lower highs. Something that you need to be aware of. Okay. So this is established as a buy zone. This is on the 1 hour chart, meaning that we don't want to see price break below that to the downside, because if it does, we have lower prices to go through. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and create additional buy zones for us to keep in line with price action in Filecoin. Okay. Because I think that the market is attempting to hold price right now. I don't think that it really wants to go lower. We may attempt to hit the market around $8 again over the next couple of days. And that is where the ultimate test is going to occur, to see the market in Filecoin is going to continuous demand and movement to the upside. So as of right now, I think we're going to hold a range, but even within that range, we could possibly look for the price in Filecoin to run and attempt to go up to $8. I'm not saying that's going to hit it, but it's going to attempt to do it. So let me do this. It's going to be a very short price prediction. My first target is going to be at this sell zone right here. Right there, either at the low or the high. Then my second target is going to be up here around $8. It's like 7.25% move there. Now, we'll just do it on the daily time frame. So again, I'm not looking for too much right now. Definitely need to be cautious, because on those hourly charts, on the hourly time frame, you need to pay attention to see how bullish this particular market is. If it holds the demand, if it holds this buy zone around $7, no lower than 680, then yeah, the market is building a cause to try to break $8 to the upside. But if it doesn't hold these two buy zones, then expect it to continue to go down. I'm just saying. All right, so we'll see what the market does. But yeah, go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.